A grapple truck with a claw. It's all overcast in Florida. It wants to rain. It's been raining. It's about 70 degrees. He only grabbed one piece. Watch him grab a couple. That's an expensive trout. The city wouldn't take this wood. They usually pick it up every Thursday. I guess there was too much. Watch him grab a bunch of them. It's starting to sprinkle now. There you go. I bet that truck was expensive. Maybe he's borrowing it. I kind of think he said he was borrowing it, that he doesn't own it. That's a money maker, that truck. Watch him get another one. He's done.